Imagine looking up into the sky and seeing that bright yellow ball, our sun. It looks small from here on Earth, but in reality, it's absolutely massive. In this video, we're going to break down just how big the sun actually is, compared to Earth, other planets, and even other stars in the universe. The size of the sun will blow your mind. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. The sun is a G-type main sequence star, also called a yellow dwarf. It's the closest star to Earth, sitting about 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers away from us. And even from that vast distance, it still dominates our sky. Now here's the jaw-dropper. The sun is so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. That's right, 1 million. To visualize this, imagine Earth as a tiny marble. The sun would be a giant beach ball, 109 times wider in diameter. Let's talk about actual numbers. The diameter of Earth is about 7,917 miles or 12,742 kilometers. The diameter of the sun, a staggering 864,000 miles, or about 1.39 million kilometers. That's so huge, it's almost hard to picture. But it's not just about width. When it comes to volume, the sun has enough space to hold about 1.3 million Earths inside it. And when it comes to mass, the sun is even more dominant. It contains 99.86% of the entire mass of our solar system. That means everything else, the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all together only make up a fraction of the mass that the sun holds. So what makes the sun so big and powerful? Well, it's essentially a massive ball of hydrogen and helium gas, constantly undergoing nuclear fusion. Deep in its core, the sun fuses hydrogen atoms into helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy. This process is what powers the sun and creates the heat and light that make life on Earth possible. Now let's compare the sun to other planets. So, if Earth were a pea, then Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, would be a grapefruit. But honestly, even Jupiter is tiny compared to the sun. You could actually fit over 1,000 Jupiters inside the sun. So while Jupiter is massive on a planetary scale, it's really nothing next to our star. And here's a fun fact: the sun's gravitational pull is what keeps all the planets orbiting around it. Without the sun, there would be no solar system as we know it. It holds everything together with its enormous gravity. But as gigantic as our sun is, it's actually small compared to many other stars in the universe. For example, Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, is around 700 times wider than the sun. And then there's Scuti, one of the largest known stars, which is over 1,700 times wider than the sun. If Scuti were placed in the center of our solar system, it would engulf all the inner planets, even Jupiter. So in cosmic terms, our sun is pretty average, but for us it's absolutely essential. Without its heat, light, and gravitational stability, Earth and life as we know it would not exist. Let's put this into perspective. The sun produces more energy every second than humans have used in all of history. In just 1 second, the sun emits enough energy to power the entire Earth for like hundreds of thousands of years. Its surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, or 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core can reach up to 15 million degrees Celsius, or 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's honestly hotter than anything we can create on Earth. And yet from here, all we see is a glowing disk in the sky. So next time you step outside and feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember, you're feeling the energy from a giant nuclear fusion reactor 93 million miles away that's been burning for over 4.6 billion years, and still has about 5 billion years of fuel left. The sun is not just big, it's monumental, a life-giving force of nature. and a constant reminder of just how small we really are in the grand scale of the universe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing space facts and cosmic adventures. See you in the next video.